Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag is here to save the day. This tiny, mighty Bluetooth tracker is a game changer for anyone who values their peace of mind and possessions. What makes the AirTag truly special is its incredible precision-finding feature, using Ultra Wideband technology to guide you right to your item, down to the foot. Imagine seeing an arrow on your iPhone screen, telling you exactly which direction to walk and how far away your lost item is. No more frantic searching. Setup is unbelievably simple. Just one tap with your iPhone and your AirTag is paired and ready to go in seconds. And don't worry about unexpected spills or splashes, because the AirTag boasts an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, making it super durable. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker on the market, you absolutely need to check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack. Find the link in the description below. Its seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, combined with the vast Find My network, gives you unmatched tracking capabilities worldwide. Seriously, this isn't just another gadget. It's an essential item for anyone prone to misplacing things, offering genuine peace of mind. So, stop stressing about lost items and grab your Apple AirTag today. It's an investment that truly pays off.